If your energy had a voice today, what do you think it could be trying to tell you? I'll say that again. If your energy had a voice today, what do you think it would be trying to tell you? Not what you wish it was saying, not what you're trying to power through, but the real message underneath the noise of the day. Most people don't realize this, but your energy is one of the most honest storytellers you have. It doesn't sugarcoat, it doesn't perform, and it definitely doesn't lie to make other people comfortable. Your energy speaks before you do. And today, I want to help you hear it. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I guide the mature age community to rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And this question, if your energy had a voice today, what would it say? Has it been sitting with me all week? Because so often we focus on how we're supposed to feel instead of how we actually feel. Yeah. And when we ignore the truth, when we ignore the truth of your energy, that's when the overwhelm creeps in quietly. Doesn't take much. I had a morning recently where nothing was wrong on paper, but my energy felt different. Not exhausted, not stressed, just out of rhythm. It felt like my body was trying to tap me on the shoulder, saying, "Hey, something needs a moment here." And I realized my energy wasn't being dramatic. It wasn't being lazy. And it wasn't being inconsistent. It was just being honest. It was reflecting things I hadn't paused long enough to notice. The emotional load, the decisions piling up, the things I told myself I'd deal with later. Energy always speaks before the crash. We just usually wait for the crash to finally pay attention. Let me break this down in a really simple human way. Energy is a messenger, not a measurement of your worth. When your energy dips, hesitates, feels uneven, that's information. It's telling you what your nervous system is holding behind the scenes. Your energy reveals patterns before your mind recognizes them. It will show overwhelm, emotional overload, lack of recovery, too much doing, not enough replenishing. Long before you can explain what's wrong. This is why so many people say, "I don't know why I'm tired. Nothing happened." Your energy did. You just didn't track the moment it shifted. When energy gets supported, everything else becomes easier. This is what I teach around inside out and outside in support. Nutrients that calm the system. Gut brain tools that steady your baseline. Gentle movement. Connection. Environments that feel calming instead of demanding. When your energy feels held, it stops screaming. It softens, it steadies, it speaks in whispers again, instead of alarms. So if your energy has been trying to say something lately, whether it feels scattered, heavy, slow, or just not like you, please know you're not imagining it. You're not failing. And you're definitely not alone. Your energy has a voice for a reason. It's trying to guide you before you end up depleted. If you want to see the simple inside out system I use to help steady my energy, the one that helps me feel more grounded, more present, and more me, send me the word calm, and I'll share it with you privately. No pressure. Just a doorway if you need one. I'm here for you. Thanks for being here. I'm Claudette Eames, and I look forward to connecting with you.